Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a link for your photos and sharing it with others. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type Google Drive and press Enter. Click on the first result. Click Go to Drive. Click New. Select File, Upload. Choose the photo you want to share. Click Open. Refresh your tab. Right-click on your photo. Select Share. Click on Share. Click on the Access drop-down menu. Select anyone with the link. Click on the Roll drop-down menu and select Viewer. Click Copy Link. Click Done. You can now share this link with your friends, family, and coworkers. Just paste this link into an email, text message, or social media to share it with others. If you want to see how this photo will look to them, then go to an incognito window. Paste the link and press Enter. Click Download. Select a location. Click Save. Click on the folder icon to find it. Double-click on the photo to view it. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.